Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And this is Mask Monday. Welcome to Mask Monday. And I'm doing a collab with Alma Ticer. I will have Alma in the description for you to find her. And we're doing a little collab together, a little Mask Monday collab. And we're gonna have a little giveaway for you. And I wanted to tell you a little bit about Alma. Alma has a channel, and she has been doing lots of fun stuff. She does great unboxings. She does great hauls. She finds the best stuff at Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree, she's got a great Dollar Tree. She finds good stuff. And she does diamond paintings and some other crafting. And she just does some really nice hauls and different things like that. So please go see her. We are both going to do a giveaway, and to win our giveaways you have to be subscribed to both of us, publicly subscribed, and we will check. So I'm going to put this mask on, and then I'll we have a couple of would you rather questions that we thought we would do that would be fun. This is what I got recently in my STYLVANA haul. This is JM Solution brand, and this is the Active Golden Caviar Nourishing Mask, and I have had JM Solution before, but not the caviar. So this says it's a lot of it is not in English, but it says, well, let's get it started. I was looking for where it says how long to keep it on, but I'm not finding that quickly. So let's get it started. And like I said, you'll really like Alma. She's just a sweet and very kind and very gracious lady. And oh, this smells good. It has a lot of essence going on. It's good and sticky. So caviar, y'all, okay? So we're gonna do some would you rather, just some winter would you rathers. Oh, there's like some stuff in here. This is sort of, there's little pieces, and maybe that's caviar, I don't know. Just a couple, not much, but it's, the essence is good and thick. And I really need some moisturizing today. My skin is feeling rather dry, so I'm happy to put this on. Okay. Ooh, it's thick. The essence is on the thick side. Oh, it's so cold, y'all. I didn't think about warming it up a little bit. You know, you can warm them up a little bit. You know, a lot of people like them cold. I do mostly like them cold. It gives you a jolt. It wakes you up. It gets you going. And they're great in summer when they're cold. But sometimes in the winter, if it's really cold, it's nice to warm them up a little bit, and all you really have to do is like sit on it for a few minutes, or you could run the package under some warm water or something like that if you wanted to. Even just holding it between your hands for a few minutes might be helpful. Let's see, I've got a roller right in here. I'm gonna try to roll it. This essence is really thick and nice, and it's quite translucent once it's on me. It's dripping a little bit and getting stuck in my mouth. So I was going to look for the timing on it, but like I said, it says rich nourishment of caviar, soft skin fit sheet, solution for uneven texture, and then I don't see anything. See, it's all in Korean. A little bit of English, but normally 20 to 30 minutes is normally good. But usually on, even when there's Japanese or Korean or Chinese writing, I can usually see a number. They'll, you know, you'll see 20 or you'll see 15 or 30, and I don't see that. So anyway, all right, the would you rathers. These are just some that we made up and thought it would be fun. Would you rather drink hot chocolate or hot apple cider? And you know, who doesn't like chocolate? I am a chocolate fiend. But you know what? I don't love drinking hot chocolate. And I might have one hot chocolate a year. Because I will have a hot chocolate, but actually this past Christmas and stuff, I didn't have one. Usually if I go like through Starbucks, which I haven't done in a long time, I might get something like that. I like, they have a white chocolate drink that I like, but I much prefer hot apple cider. It just, I guess because it's not so thick or something. Or not so sweet, but I like hot apple cider, really do. Would you rather go skiing in the snow or water skiing on a lake? And y'all, I am a big person, so I've never been really fond of wearing bathing suits. And I have gone skiing in the snow, and it's nice. It's invigorating. It's fun. I used to love to be out in the snow. I don't know if I still would like that. As I get older, I get colder, you know, but I used to always be very hot-natured. So I would choose skiing in the snow. Would you rather snowmobile or stay inside if it snows? And I do like a snowmobile. I like the whole atmosphere of being out with friends, doing that kind of thing. But if it's a really heavy snow, I like to be inside looking at it. So, but I would pick snowmobiling. If I had the opportunity, I would like to do that. Would you rather sit with your feet up in front of the fireplace quietly or have a family game night? And you know, I don't live with a bunch of people or anything. So family game night is, I do like a family game night, but I don't have an opportunity for that very often. So for me, putting my feet up in front of the fireplace, which I don't have, I'd have to, you know, put that fireplace on TV. I have a fake fireplace, you know, like it's a wood console and everything that you can roll around from room to room. And I have that for extra heat if I need it. But yeah, I put my feet up and be in front of the fireplace. That sounds lovely. Number 5, would you rather build a snowman or make snow angels? And you know, I love building a snowman. Snowmen are my favorite things. But I'll tell you something, when Buddy first saw snow, we don't get snow here a lot, but we had snow a few times in his life. And he was outside and he was rolling in, you know, I have him on a leash because I lived on a corner. Although it's not a busy neighborhood at all, but still. We were out there, and my neighbors across from me, the kids are all grown now, so, or mostly they're, you know, teenagers. They were little bitty things, and they were out playing, and they came running over because they love Buddy. And one of the kids said, look at Buddy's making dog angels, I think is how he put it, because Buddy was just, you know, this and all this kind of stuff. And that's what it was. It was like snow angels. And I love making snow angels. But that's just what I always think of when I think of snow angels now, is my Buddy making dog angels. Would you rather sit outside by a bonfire or sit inside without a fireplace? Definitely outside by a bonfire. I love a good bonfire. I went to a wedding a couple of years ago, and it was so cold, but they had a bonfire, and it was so wonderful to sit at that bonfire because we were all dressed up and, you know, had on shawls and all, because it started in the evening when it wasn't so cold, and then it got really cold. So the bonfire was wonderful. And I love a good bonfire when people get together and like roast, you know, hot dogs and marshmallows. That's a lot of fun too. Number 7, would you rather rake leaves or shovel snow? Definitely rake leaves. I love the snow. It's beautiful to look at, but I don't like shoveling it. Number 8, would you rather bake cookies or make soup from scratch? I like to do both. It just depends what mood I'm in, but probably what I do more often is I make soup from scratch. Number 9, would you rather go on a winter vacation in the French Alps or a beach vacation to Florida? And I have been on beach vacations to Florida, and they're beautiful and everything. And yes, the beaches in Florida on the Gulf Shore where I would go, beautiful white sands, beautiful. But to have the chance to go to the French Alps, I would take that one. And then number 10 is, what is your favorite season? And I don't know anymore, y'all. I guess autumn. Autumn has always really been my favorite season. But here in the South where I live, we don't get a lot of autumn colors. I love autumn, the colors up north, you know, and I don't really get to see those. And winter used to not ever bother me, but it bothers me now that I'm older. And I just adore spring because things start coming up. And here where I live, a lot of things are evergreen. So there's a lot of greenery all the time. Like right now already this weekend, I saw my daffodils are starting to come up. The greens are up, and the, you know, the tops of it, you know, the flowers haven't opened yet, but it's very early. And that's not, I don't know, it seems very early, but I did already see a robin, and you know, that's spring. So maybe spring is coming. But anyway, so I still would probably say autumn, but when I'm in spring and I love spring, I'll say spring. You know, does that make sense? Anyway, what are y'all's answers to those questions? And I hope you enjoyed that. And like I said, go see Alma. And you have to be subscribed to both of us to win our giveaways. And we're doing a sheet mask giveaway. So I have for you the Planist. This is not a character mask, but it's a collagen mask. Very nice mask. And I have the Hydrating IDAZ. This is the Dermostat Water Fit Mask. This is a very nice mask. Very exclusive type of mask. We have a Moisturizing I'm Aloe Mask Sheet by Tony Moly. This is a fantastic mask. And then I'm giving you one of these caviar masks, the JM Solution Active Golden Caviar Nourishing Mask. Okay, so that is my giveaway. And you have to be subscribed to Alma, Ticer, and myself. And you have to be 18 years or older, have an address in the continental United States for me to mail this to. You have to, let's see, what else? YouTube is not responsible for this at all. I bought this with my own money. When I put it in the mail, I'm not responsible for it anymore. You should get it. There shouldn't be a problem with that. If you, please, if you have any allergies, or even if you don't, if you think you'd have an allergic reaction to anything in these, read your ingredients and test it first. You can test it like on the inside of your arm for a little bit before you put it on your face if you have any issues. And all my information is in the description about giveaways. This will run 1 week. This is Monday. So I will announce my winner next Monday. Do what Alma says. I'm not sure when she'll announce her winner. But see what she says over there. And like I said, we'll check to see that you're subscribed to both of us. And I think that's about it, y'all. Like I said, in my description will be everything. Alma will be in there. And also the rules for the giveaway. And I think that's really it. And I hope you all enjoy Mask Monday. I tag Mask Monday Ladies, Mask Monday Friends, and Mask Monday. And you can find lots and lots and lots of different channels that do Mask Monday. And some do sheet masks, some do clay masks, some do different types of masks. You know, and I hope that you're doing something to take care of yourself. Whether it's today, if you have a few minutes to sit down and do it right now while you're watching us, or if you, you know, do something before you go to bed tonight, or at least take in your long 7-day week of taking care of everybody else. Take at least a good half hour somewhere along the line to take care of yourself, and your skin will be happy. Even if you do nothing else, if you take care of your skin a little bit with a mask, it will help. Your skin will be happy. So I'm going to leave this on a little bit longer because it feels really good. This essence is so nice and thick. And I'm going to try to find on this packaging, if you win this from me, there's not a lot of English on it, so just so you know. Oh, I do see, now I'm seeing 10 to 20, 10-20, so that's probably it. So anyway, y'all, I'm going to enjoy this a little bit longer, and I will see y'all later. Count your blessings, and good to see you. Bye-bye.